Oh my God. God be with these people. Oh, grabé todo. Oh my God. What the?
Mira nomás, en un ratito cagadero aquí, mira.
Oh, hell no.
Dios es grande con nosotros.
Oh
Mira
my
nomás.
God, I was so
Mira nomás.
scared.
Mira cómo quedaron estas casas.
Papi
Cómo
muñaño.
quedó todo esto bien feo hasta la chingadera.
Oh
2
my.
segundos.
Oh,
Qué barbaridad.
hell no.
En 2 segundos quedó todo.
What the
Nada ya.
hell?
Dios mío, es grande con nosotros.
It's going to be moving to the north.
There it is, boys.
At I think 55 miles per hour. These are approximate times, so don't wait until the time shows up.
All right, I'm leaving.
We'll be moving towards
Wind's
the
picking up.
area. I think 55 miles per hour. These are approximate times, so don't wait until the time shows up.
All right, I'm leaving.
We'll be moving towards the
Wind's picking up.
area. 540 Shelby Springs.
I know, James. Don't get on to me. I'm leaving.
In this neighborhood, we've got trees and power lines down. It is essential, please stay off the road so first responders can get in here to help these people. Okay? You can see it's bad back here, and we need to say prayers for the people who live in this community and come together to help.
Nope, not a river. This is the driveway and the yard.